Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Ratna Dewi Sulastri from Class C, English Department Student Association of Siliwangi University. Here I am going to show you how task-based learning activities when it conducted in the classroom. But before we begin, I would like to explain a little bit about what is task-based learning, or also called as TBL method. So, TBL is one of the language learning methods focused on the gradual task giving adapted to the student's ability. And the aim of given task is to provide as natural a context as possible for language learning. Learners do tasks, report their works, and learn the language that arises in the discussion. For example, in this video, first, the students are instructed to watch the video and understand the content in it, and it will be discussed at the next meeting. Alright students, last night I gave you a link video. Have you watched it?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, ma'am.
Miss.
Yes, good. Is there any one of you who want to share what you get from that video?
Can I try, Miss?
Yeah, sure. Please, Surga.
What I get from the video is the definition of the text, which gives the description of particular person, place, or things.
Yeah, correct. So today's topic is about description text. It is the text that give the description, of course, about something or someone, yeah. And anyone who want to try, who want to share about the things that you get from the video?
Maybe me, Miss. I will try.
All right, Mutiara, please.
Um, from the video, I got that the language features are adjective, and then have or has, and then present tense, and structure, and the structure is are. I mean, are identification, which is introduce what or who that going to be described, and a description, which description of the object.
Yeah, all right. That's correct, yeah. So there are two structure in description text. It is identification and description. Identification is show the object that will be described, and the description is explain the description of the object. And then the language feature, there is adjective, have and has, and present tense. So the first is adjective. Here, today we would like to highlight about that. And in the second task, the students were instructed to analyze descriptive text. They should find the vocabularies related to adjective and make it as a list of adjective words and the new vocabularies that they get. And I want you to give a task. Let me share the screen first. All right, so here I want to divide you into two groups. The first group is Dini and Mutiara, and the second group is Rizky Gunadi, Winda Grizela, and Surga. Here, I would like to give you tasks to analyze the text in here. You have to analyze the adjective. You have to highlight the adjective and then put them in a table. Each group have to analyze one text, yeah. All right, I will share the file yet to the WhatsApp group, so you can download it and do it with your friends in your group. In the task-based learning method, the activities in the classroom dominated by the students, or this condition also called as student-centered, while the teacher only becomes an instructor or facilitator. For example, in the task tree, students are instructed to lead their friends to learn pronunciation by doing drills and share their knowledge about the some vocabularies. Alright, because the time to discuss already finished, the representative of the group 1 have to read the adjective that you write down in the table, and the rest of you have to repeat that your friend said. You get it, guys?
Yes, Miss.
Right.
Yes,
So from the
Miss.
group 1, who want to lead the drilling activities?
May I, Miss?
Yeah, sure. Please, Dini.
Okay, here is the result from our discussion. So for the adjective, number 1, all right, my friends, repeat after me. Small, kecil.
Small,
kecil.
5, 5.
5,
5.
2, 2.
2, 2.
A, 1.
A,
A,
1.
satu.
And then the next is from group 2. Please share your screen. Right. We already see the screen. And now, who will lead to doing drill activities from group 2?
I will explain what the result of our discussion is. Maybe my friends can open your audio and repeat after me. Okay, the first one is beautiful, cantik,
Beautiful, cantik.
Beautiful, cantik.
tall, tinggi,
Tall,
Tall,
tinggi.
tinggi.
short, pendek,
Short,
Pendek.
pendek.
clean, bersih,
Clean, bersih.
Clean, bersih.
sweet, manis.
Sweet.
Manis.
Sweet, manis.
Does anyone knows what Mrs. means? If I don't know.
Berantakan.
Oh yes, thank you Dini for your help. And does anyone knows organize in bahasa?
Terorganisir.
Oh yes, thank you Dini. I remember
You
now.
need to write down that your friend tells about the vocabulary that you still don't know the meaning, and maybe now you already know the meaning in bahasa, and you have to write down those words in the table, okay? In accordance with the goal, at the end of learning, students get new knowledge and learn from the tasks that they get. All right, thank you guys for your great discussion. Today we are discuss using two descriptive tags. So what you can get from those texts? Maybe from group 1, what you can get after you read the text.
May I, Miss?
Yes, please, Mutiara.
From the text that I read, I can conclude that adjective not always characteristics such as a beautiful or good or etc. But it also can the things that show amount such as a or an, one, two, three, and etc. In addition, it can also show the position of the object such as left side or right side.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, thank you for your conclusion, Mutiara. And then maybe from group 2.
Maybe I can try as a representative. Miss,
Yes, please, Surga.
what I get from the description text that I and my group already read, we found that in English language, used to put adjective first before the object, and it's different with in Bahasa, which is we use to put the object first and then after that the adjective.
All right, thank you for your participation of today. Today we are learning about description text, and we are focused on adjective. And in the next meeting, we are we'll discuss about more language feature or structure. Yeah, I will give the task, but I will explain it on WhatsApp group or Google Classroom. So I think that's all the meeting from today for today. Yeah, thank you for your participation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Thank you,
warahmatullahi
Miss.
wabarakatuh. Thank you, Miss.